Hey guys, so I am back with another video. Before I get into it, this is definitely going to be a different video. If you've recently just joined my channel, hi, and I'm Jessica. It's nice to have you with me. You'll see that my family just became vegan about 5-6 months ago. I'm going to say vegan / vegetarian, and the reason why I say that is because my children, they're about 95% vegan, but we do allow them to have yogurt for school and stuff like that. We have tried all the different yogurts that Whole Foods has and like the almond milk based ones and stuff, and they just do not like them. So for now, until we can like figure out what to do for school for snacks and stuff like that, because it's hard to pack a salad every day and just different options, we do allow them to have yogurt, but for the most part they are vegan. They occasionally will have snacks that have like milk in them, but that's it. They never have milk or eggs or anything like that as far as dairy. Just sometimes have snacks that have a little bit of milk in it or something, but for the most part they are vegan. So anyway, I wanted to do a quick little video because my family and I are going to Disney World very soon, so we're super excited, and I just thought I would kind of do some, I guess a little series on our Disney journey. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this. I am going to be doing separate videos because we're driving, which is crazy, driving with 3 kids. But I want to do a video on, you know, vegan snacks that we pack for our road trip. I'm going to do a video on some of the restaurants in Disney World. I heard Disney World is extremely accommodating when it comes to a vegan diet, so I want to show you guys some of the things that we find at the restaurants and some of the snacks in the park. So I will be showing you guys all those type of things, and I plan on doing like a couple of vlogs, so hopefully some of you are excited for that. If you don't like these types of videos, sorry, but I just kind of wanted to change it up a tiny bit and add some different things and different content onto my channel besides just hauls, recipes, and what I eat in a day type things. So yeah, before I get started, this video is going to be some of the things that we bought for our trip as far as like clothing and, you know, some fun things to keep the kids entertained. So this is more of like a mommy video, I guess. But one more disclaimer, once again, my family and I just became vegan about 5 months ago, and so far we are just vegan by diet. As far as our clothing and, you know, makeup products, hair products, different things like that, you know, they aren't vegan. I am slowly starting to change some of my cleaning products to be more all natural. I'm actually slowly working my way into using essential oils and stuff, but like I said, this is a journey for us that we are slowly transitioning. So before I get any hate comments or anything, we are only vegan by diet at the moment. So as far as when we're going to change completely and, you know, other things, that will take time, but it is what it is. You know, everyone's different, and for right now we are just vegan by diet, and that's it. So anyway, let's get into it. So once again, we're going to Disney World, so excited. So I purchased a few things for the kids, you know, to have for the park, and like I said, for the road trip. So these are just suggestions and ideas that if you decide that you're gonna be going to Disney World and driving, maybe I can give you some ideas of things to take and things to do, where I got things from. So let me get into it because I've already been rambling for 3 minutes. Holy mama. Okay, so for my little guy, we purchased this cute little Mickey baseball hat. I actually got this at Target for $3, like seriously, and it's so cute, and it has a little band back here that you can you know, change to make it bigger. By the way, I'm in our playroom because this is a totally different backdrop here. I got that idea off of Pinterest to do artwork and put it in frames in the playroom in here. Isn't that cute? All right, I'm going off track. Back to the video. I ordered these mini ears off of Amazon, I think it was, and they came, you know, in a package like this, and they're not huge like the ones you can find in the parks. They're just, you know, normal little headbands, but you know, it has the little fuzzy ears with the bow, so I thought it'd be super cute for the kids, just to wear until we get there, then we'll maybe let them get ears there. But how cute is that? So yeah, I got those. Then these we actually found, I want to say it was at Target or Walmart maybe. They've had these for a while and I remembered, so I saved them, and they actually glow. Isn't that cool? So I thought these would be perfect for at night when we're gonna be, and then you can change how they glow. But yeah, I thought this would be perfect for at night when we're in like Magic Kingdom and it has the fireworks and stuff. So yeah, and speaking of fireworks, we got them a bunch of these glow sticks. I got this one, which is the big necklaces, and then I think, yeah, these are necklaces as well. Again, just to make everything glow, because when you go to Disney World, stuff is freaking expensive. So I kind of Googled different like mom blogs and stuff, and a lot of them suggested just to bring your own glow sticks, so that way your kids kind of, you pull it out and your kids are like, yay, you know, they don't feel like you need to purchase the $10 glow sticks that are in Disney World. No. So yeah, that is that. I got more glow sticks somewhere in here. This bag is like filled because I've been like saving stuff little by little. Oh, and we did do a surprise video for the kids that I will also be at some point soon putting down or uploading, I can't even talk, so that you guys can see how we told our kids that we were going to Disney World. So I'll be putting that there. A lot of these videos, you'll be watching them either as we're there or when we get back, because we want to enjoy our vacation. I want to be worrying about editing and stuff while we're gone. But so yeah, I'm rambling again, I'm sorry. So anyway, then we got these glow sticks. They're like lanyards and they stay cool for the girls. We got them for the two girls, and then again bracelets. You can get these at the dollar store, so they're pretty cheap. And then I got this for the baby. It's a mini Mickey Mouse glow in the dark like wand type of thing, so I thought he would enjoy having that to hold. I think that's all we got as far as the glow stick thingies. Okay, so oh, here's Raya's ears. For clothes, I just got a couple clothes. I didn't want to go crazy. We got my youngest daughter, this was from Walmart. I'm trying to back up so you can see. It's a dress. How cute is that little mini on there? And it looks like she's wearing like a bag. And then the mini is actually a you can open, it's like a Velcro, and it's actually a pocket. So how cute is that? So she was excited about that. And then to go with the cute little face there, I actually found this cute backpack at Target. How cute is it? The dress was $9.97 if you're wondering, and I forget, I think this was about, yeah, $9.99 at Target. And it's a super cute backpack. You zipper it, it's just, you know, regular little thing. And it's cute because you can wear it as either a backpack or you can make it into a crossover. And my youngest is, this is like totally up her alley. She's into these fashionista type things and everything that glitters and glows and sparkles and shines, like she loves. So I couldn't resist but getting that for her. And then her shirt, I actually got her shirt at a thrift store. I was really excited about it. So I already washed it. But this is her shirt that we got her as well, so that she has another pretty little mini shirt to wear. And then for the baby shirt, I got his shirt at Walmart for $4.97. How awesome is that price? And his is this cute little Mickey Mouse shirt that has all the different faces and stuff on it. And then for my oldest, because she's kind of like, you know, not into dressing up as much, so I was excited to find, I keep burping, I was excited to find this shirt from Target. So you can see up close, it has Minnie and Mickey on there, but it's kind of subtle. So the bow is what really stands out, which she loved because it wasn't like, you know, Minnie all up in your face. So I got this one at Target. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I want to say it was maybe $15, close to there. I don't remember. So yeah, and then for the road trip part, I picked up these things. A couple of these things I got from the dollar store, and then the rest I got from the dollar spot in Target when you first walk in. That always gets you. I can't help but walking in there and stopping at it every single time. It's ridiculous. Anyway, I got these play pack grab and goes. Now my oldest, she's 10, so you know, it may be a tiny bit on the babyish side for her, but she still loves to color and stuff. So, and you can't get from one and not the other. I'm sure if you have two kids close in age, you know what I mean. So of course we got two for the girls, and they come with like cute little stickers and crowns and stuff. So this would be something that they could do in the car for the road trip. And then these I got on clearance for 50 cents after Valentine's Day. So I thought they were cute, and it's just, you know, one side has this, one side has this, and it has like the little markers and stickers and stuff that you can help decorate that. I got one for the baby. Where's his? Oh, and then for the baby, again, he's one. He really can't do much, but I figured if he sees his sisters coloring, he may want to try. So we got him this little Play and Pack Go. Same thing. It has the markers and stickers and stuff in it. And then this I also found at the Dollar Spot in Target. It is troll stickers, and then it has stickers here that you can color, and it comes with a cute little marker. So just simple little stuff like that for them to do. And then along with road trip stuff, we have a little portable DVD player. So I picked up 3 new movies for them to watch. I don't even know if they've seen these, but they were, was it $3 or $5 at Target? Around Christmas I picked them up when they were on sale. So we got Flushed Away, Turbo, and Monsters vs. Aliens. I have no clue if they've seen them, if they'll like them, but I figured new movies, why not? Oh, and Paddington. We liked this movie. This one was a really cute one. And then I picked up these pens from the dollar store to go with their books for the character signing. I just thought they would be perfect because they're big, so some of the characters can hold them. So yeah, dollar store. And then last but not least, I ordered these character books off of Etsy, and they're super cute because you can customize them. And you know, I got for the girls, they have the cute little bow and stuff, and then you could put each kid's name, and then it says Disney Adventure. So I got each of the girls one, and then I got the baby one as well, and his has, you know, the more masculine Mickey little guy on it, and they're just so cute. And the inside, you could pick between 2 different types of paper, and I went with the cardstock. It's more thicker, so I thought it'd be good for signatures, especially if they use Sharpies. So yeah. And one other tip that I learned from some of the mommy blogs was to do something on your stroller that would help identify your stroller when you get off the rides. There's tons of strollers and you want to find yours. A lot of them suggested balloons or like tags. I have this little lanyard thing here, so I was just going to use this to kind of either wrap around my stroller or dangle it. So yeah, but that was it. Just a quick little haul of a few things that we bought for our trip so far. Again, like I said, I am going to do some videos and some vegan snacks we packed in the restaurants and stuff when we get there, some vlogs. I also plan on doing another mommy video, what's in my diaper bag and stuff, and some of the things that we take for us for like in the park. So yeah, leave me a comment below if you have any suggestions, if you've been to Disney, things for us to do or try. Or also just let me know if you're excited about these Disney videos. I don't know exactly, like I said, when they'll be up, if they'll be during our trip or after, but either way, I hope you guys enjoy them, and I'm going to stop rambling again. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!